To set custom notification sound for each app in Samsung Galaxy S26 series, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Then we can visit notifications right here and go to advanced settings, where inside on the bottom you can find manage notification categories for each app. Make sure that this option is active, and when it is, you can go back to the main settings page and then scroll down looking for the apps section. Now find whichever app you want to add custom notification sounds for. For example, if we go for a Gmail, if I manage to find it right here, or let's go for a Facebook. In this case, we can go to notifications, and then you will need to allow notifications for that app, and then you can find the notifications categories, which is all the way down below. If you enter it, you can then click on the category of notifications. For example, in Gmail you would have category like new email received. Then if you would select this, you should be able to change a specific sound for it, and then you will have different sound for each category of notifications for each app. And that's how you can set them custom. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.